Language games help kids recognize letters, hear sounds, and start reading with confidence. Let's start with our alphabet matching puzzles, which are perfect for ages 3 to 6 and designed for 1 to 4 players. Start by learning together. Look at the letters and pictures with your child. Say the sounds out loud and talk about what sound each letter represents. Then encourage your child to match the puzzle pairs on their own, building confidence as they begin to recognize letters and their sounds. The puzzles are self-correcting, so only the correct letter and picture pairs will fit together, supporting independent learning through play. As your child becomes more confident, you can turn it into a memory game for extra fun. With real-life photography and South African school font and spelling, it's a proudly local way to build early literacy skills and reading readiness. Moving on to the second game in the language and literacy category, African Animal Bingo is perfect for ages 4 to 6 and designed for 1 to 5 players. Learn the alphabet in a fun and interactive way as children match letters, pictures, or both and race to call out bingo. As they play, children build letter recognition and matching skills while also learning about amazing African animals from A for aardvark to Z for zebra. With 4 different ways to play, the game grows with your child, offering new challenges as their skills develop. Bright, engaging animals and proudly South African themes make this game both educational and meaningful. Next up is Ready, Set, Spell, perfect for ages 5 to 7 and designed for 1 to 4 players. This fun and challenging game helps children move from recognizing letters to building and reading simple words. Start by matching letters to sounds and pictures, then progress to sounding out and spelling words step by step. As they play, children build early reading skills, phonics awareness, and confidence in spelling, all through hands-on learning. With different levels and ways to play, the game grows with your child as their skills develop. Using South African school fonts and familiar, relatable images, it's a proudly local way to support early reading success. Last of the language and literacy games, Alien Rhyme Attack is perfect for ages 5 to 7 and designed for 1 to 4 players. Match rhyming words, create silly sentences, and read them out loud in a funny voice as you feed them to a hungry alien. As they play, children build rhyming, sound awareness, and early reading skills in a fun and imaginative way. The wacky voice card element adds loads of laughter, making this game a big hit with kids, and it was a favorite in our playtesting. With simple gameplay and lots of creativity, it encourages language development, confidence, and a love for words. It's a fun, playful way to build early literacy skills while letting kids be as silly as they like.